Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. This camera mount sucks. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but at least I'm back making a video. I'm glad to be back. I hope some of y'all miss me in this video, which I've been waiting on, because it's been a while since I've made a full actual riding video, not just like a short video. So I figured I'd deliver one today. And update y'all with some news. So the news is I finally took the rancher to get fixed. Yep. He's gonna rethread it, and then when I get it back, I gotta deep wash it because it hasn't been washed in a minute. And glue a rubber duck back on it. I got a replacement since I lost the other one. Then I'm gonna reseal the airbox, of course, because I like to go deep. I still haven't got the Outlaw 3 sold. I'm trying to possibly trade them. I'm looking for, I don't know, maybe 32 Aztecs are out of stock, but I know nobody's gonna trade me for them. I'm really probably just gonna settle for 29.5 Outlaw 2s. I'm looking all skinny, looking for a trade for them, and I'd really love to run a crush lock, so I don't have to worry about floating. So yeah, I'm trying to get some of them. Oh, look at the rabbit. Like, I might just trade them and get ones off marketplace with somebody that's willing to trade me. Take the wheel that comes on them off and then order a crush lock and put a crush lock on it. I'm really looking forward to doing that. And just having it back in general. I just want to ride it again, man. I miss it. I know y'all miss it. We should be able to hit the creek today. It's pretty low. I really got to get to cleaning these trails. I think that's what I'm going to dedicate my day to. Probably maybe tomorrow afternoon after church or something. I don't know. I just really need to. With my machete, maybe some hedge cutters too. And maybe a chainsaw if it comes to that. But I don't think I'll need one. I'm asking $1,200, and my setup, I got it for about $1,200. That's why I'm asking, because like they have pretty much 90, maybe I'd say 95% tread. They have literally no worn at all. They've only been on dirt, water, and mud. I'll take 1,000, but like I'm fine with that. But I'm really just looking for a trade for Outlaw 2s, 29.5s. I can add cash if needed. It depends on the wheel you got, honestly. But it really don't matter the wheel. If you don't have an MSA wheel, I'm not, or either a fuel wheel on it, I'm not adding cash. I just want to make that clear. If it's like ITP, I'm not really adding cash because that's like equal value. We'll consider 30-inch BKTs, but I really don't want a BKT. I don't like the way they ride. And I don't think a BKT would really look good on a crush lock, personally. Alright, this ain't got no higher. Hopefully there ain't no snake down here, because I don't want to have to go get a pistol. I don't care what type of snake it is, unless it's like a king or tree snake out here, I'm shooting it. I don't want to deal with them water snakes all summer, I'll tell you that. I did kill one out here off camera. Right there, he was right there. It was dried like this. It was about a while ago. It got high again, kind of high, not real high again. But it was dry like this. Right there was clear. He was walling around there. I was on this, backed up, drove to my grand's, went and grabbed her Ruger 22 pistol, that one I shot on video, that 22-45. I grabbed it, came back, shot him in the head, and that was that. We've kind of got a new little mud hole path right here. It's really only fun on the Recon. It's just kind of risky to go up. I was in first. That's how low geared these things, I mean high geared these things are. Oh wait, never mind, it was spinning the tires. I messed up. They're not really high geared. These are geared really low, kind of low. I don't know, they're just like a kind of, weird gearing, honestly. I've seen people run like heavy tires on these, like, but they're heavily modified. Some motor works, some haven't had it. I don't know. I've just seen. I saw one on 29.5 out Assassinators. I've seen one on Silverbacks, Outlaw 2s. I've seen it all. Honestly, I'd love to build one of these, but I ain't building aliens because really nobody rides it that much, and if you don't want to build it, that's another main reason. What's it looking like over here? I ain't been down here in a minute. All down here is dried up. Holy. I ain't going through that though. I know we get stuck and I don't feel like getting muddy today. Why? I don't mind getting muddy, honestly. I just don't feel like getting stuck in water, to be honest, especially on this. I'm just gonna go up this bank, pick this limb up. Alright. All of this is muddy. This is like, this time of year is when it gets muddy. This is gonna be fun on the 420. I've never really seen a snake in the middle or over there. Every time I see them, they're probably in that wood. That's where they're coming from, down here by this bridge. I have no clue what it's looking like over here, but it's still pretty deep from what I can tell on here. I ain't going in it, I'm just looking. Hopefully I can get this thing to back out. If I can't, that's gonna suck. I'm just gonna pick it up though. Or push it. That's one good thing about this. You can always push it. I'm probably about to have to push it. I think I'm good now. That's just clay right there. Like under all that dirt, there's clay. You can see. All down there is clay. Like that whole bottom's hard clay, but this time of year it gets soft with the water drying up. Oh, I think there's a snake right there underwater. I can't really tell. That or a stick. Probably just a stick. When we get the 420 back, we'll find out. Because we're gonna be exploring all in this water, backing in over there and there. Yeah, that's a snake. Looks like a moccasin's head. I'm gonna come back and see if it's still there. If it is, it's a stick. But it looks like a snake. Could just be a bigger orange belly water snake. Regardless, it's gonna get popped because I don't, like I said, I'm not dealing with snakes in here all summer. I hate a snake. I let tree snakes and snakes that eat like rats and stuff like that go. All king snakes, I'll never kill one of them. My dad would beat me if I shot a king snake. I just hate an orange belly water snake. They'll hiss at you, they're all mean, they'll chase you, and I'm sure it don't feel good to get bit by one, regardless of if it's poisonous or not. That's just me. Snakes are sent from the devil. They ain't no way God wanted damn things. I hate a freaking snake. Some of them are cool though, like tree snakes, rat snakes, a corn snake. You don't really see a corn snake often, at least where we live. Like, I'm sure in other parts of the county there are. I'm just happy to be back on a four-wheeler, man. My mom and dad really don't like me riding aliens because, like, they know alien wouldn't like it if I just tore stuff up. That's really why I don't make videos on hers much. And that's why I don't like doing crazy stuff on hers. Recons, they just sound so good, man. I don't know why. Like, revving them like that, I just like the way they sound. There's a little bit of mud on this ditch. Topped out in 5th gear. Peace out. I'll see y'all on the next. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little riding video.